I wanted to do a quick video because Trump just effectively shut down the NIH, the National Institute of Health. He basically shut down all of the research projects, like the funding for them. And I just wanted to do like a quick video to put a face with one of those research projects. I had joined a research program called All of Us. It was sponsored by the NIH and locally by the University of Pittsburgh Medical Center. And they actually did a whole bunch of testing. I got to find out my ancestry and like medicines that my body reacts really bad to, which a lot of them were cancer medicines. So that's actually good for doctors to know if I ever develop cancer, what medicines my body will react negatively to. But the biggest thing was they did genetic testing. And they discovered that I have the BRCA2 gene. BRCA2 in women, it also can affect men, but in women, it affects, you have a higher risk for breast cancer, ovarian, cervical cancer, pancreatic cancer, and melanoma. Because I had that genetic testing done through that program that was funded by the NIH, I have been able to get mammograms, ultrasounds, biopsies, pap smears, colposcopies, and I will be getting a double mastectomy and a hysterectomy, and I will be getting a portion of my cervix removed because they were able to look for specific factors within my body to see if I had like precancerous cells or like just preventative. Like my mastectomy, I do have a lesion on my breast that could be covering cancer, but even so, the BRCA2 gene mutation allows me to have a preventative mastectomy done so I don't develop breast cancer, or my risk is down, goes from 90% down to like 2%. So, I mean, obviously there's always a risk, but this is the kind of stuff that this funding affects. I know there's so many other stories out there about what the funding can do, but this is just my personal story. And as a woman, like, I don't think people really understand how devastating it is to actually not know that you might have the BRCA2 gene mutation. You might not be getting mammograms because you just don't want to. But the BRCA2 at least gives you that kind of push to get it done to see if you do have any issues. So we need to stop this kind of crap. And this doesn't do anything to help our country. It doesn't do anything to lower the cost of housing, to lower the cost of groceries. This just hurts everyone. And it's just got to stop.